So let's start our video. If you open this one, you can see this is the packaging. And first of all, I just want to show you this product. And see, this is the packaging system. And open this one first. And you can go through this one and open this one. Nice. So this is our product. If you come in this place, you can see here is a DP, HDMI, DP, and 4 USB with a 3 USB and LAN. And here is nothing, but here is an audio, power, and USB. And here is also backside is settings for our multi-setup. Yeah, this is our product, and I want to see what is inside this box. This is our power adapter for this mini PC. Here I can put it right now, and HDMI cable. And also you can see there is a manual, and also there is a mounting plate with this screw. So let's go for the next step. Okay, so let's go and fix this back of this monitor. So you can go in the back side, see here is a place. So, and also you will get this mounting plate and also this screw. I'm just going to out all the screw and take this mounting cable and this screw. You need to fix this here, this screw, and take it, go back and fix this. See, it's very easy. And the next one, this, and fix this here. Nice. Now you will see that how to fix this here, and take another one and go to this place. It's done. So now you need to go here like this way. See? So easy.